Alright, I want to look at problem 39 on the homework. It's a good problem because it connects the unit circle to what we are doing with vectors. Let's find r in component form if theta is a standard angle. So question A, we have vector r, the magnitude of it is 5. And we know that theta pi over 6. Okay. So that's definitely going to give us some clues. So we want to think unit circle first. Pi over 6 is located right about here. And if we think of the coordinates of pi over 6, it's rad 3 over 2, comma 1/2. Now this is when your radius is equal to 1 because you're on the unit circle. So, if we were to think about this in terms of not being on the unit circle, because now we have a radius of 5, essentially what we're going to do is we're going to multiply those components by 5. We can see this a couple ways. And you know what, we should probably just, since r is 1 in this case with the unit circle, but then r is 5 in this case, all that means is you're expanding, you're multiplying this entire coordinate by a scalar of 5, or magnifying it, making it 5 times bigger. So we can think of this as a vector, 3, 2, we're going over rad 3 over 2 and up 1/2. Okay, and if we were to multiply this out, we would get 5 rad 3 over 2 and 5 over 2, which would be the solutions to question A. And I think it says 2.5, but that's the same thing. B and C are very similar. So, we want to go back to this slide. So question B, sorry about that, looks like this. You have a magnitude of 10 for our radius, and we are at theta is equal to 5 pi over 4. Let's draw our circle out. 5 pi over 4 would be right around here. It's important to know the coordinates there. Negative rad 2 over 2. Negative rad 2 over 2. And what we're doing now is we're multiplying by a scalar of 10. So it would be 10 times negative rad 2 over 2, negative rad 2 over 2, which ends up giving negative 5 rad 2, negative 5 rad 2, which would be the component form for this guy. Okay, the last one, you got a radius of 15, so the same concept. And what do we know? And we know that theta is equal to 2 pi over 3. Alright, think about the unit circle. 2 pi over 3. It's right about here. Coordinates there are negative 1/2, rad 3 over 2. And now we're multiplying this one by 15. So 15, negative 1/2, rad 3 over 2. And that would give you, and I'll write this as a decimal this time, negative 7.5, comma 7.5 rad 3. So connecting the unit circle to your knowledge of vectors, just multiplying by that scalar.